Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your monthly statement with Bank of America. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin optimizing your monthly statement with Bank of America, log in to your online banking account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts section on the main dashboard. Select the account for which you want to optimize your statement. Click on Statements and Documents in the Account Details menu. You will see a list of your recent statements. Choose the most recent statement you want to review. Download the statement as a PDF for easy viewing. Open the PDF and take note of all transactions. Identify any fees or charges that you may not recognize. If you find any unauthorized transactions, make sure to report them immediately. Next, categorize your transactions to understand your spending habits. Create labels or tags for different types of expenses, like groceries, utilities, and entertainment. Once categorized, review each category to identify areas where you can cut back. Check for any recurring payments that you can cancel if they are no longer needed. Returning to your online banking dashboard, consider setting up alerts. Navigate to the Alerts section to configure notifications for spending limits or account balances. This can help you avoid overdraft fees and unnecessary charges in the future. You may also want to enable paperless statements for convenience and sustainability. Go to Profile and Preferences to change your statement delivery method. Make sure to double-check all your financial goals and align them with your spending habits. Update any budget goals within the Bank of America app for real-time tracking. After optimizing your statement, take some time to set up additional savings accounts if necessary. Consider automatically transferring a portion of your income to these accounts each month. Lastly, regularly review your statements at the end of each month to keep your finances on track. This will help ensure that you're optimizing your resources effectively each month. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.